Not hot enough?
No.
It exploded in the microwave. You do you, boo-boos. And we really enjoy it because we live in the Midwest and it's what we do. Hello, welcome back. I feel as though I've been filming for the last 4 days. I feel like I've just been making videos nonstop, even though like it doesn't feel like it, but I feel like I have been. Anyways, this one you'll probably see on a Tuesday, I'm guessing. I don't know. Anyways, I made chili for dinner last night. And in true Midwestern fashion, we are going to have, Calvin's gonna start squeaking his toy. Oh, no, maybe, I don't know. We are gonna have chili mac for dinner tonight using leftover chili. And I did look it up, and apparently chili mac is a Midwestern thing. So let me know if you've had it before, and if you haven't, I'm gonna show you how to make it. It's super, super simple. This video should be short. I always say that, and then I like throw out. And then I throw out like a 20-minute video, but for real, this one should be less than 10 minutes. Legit, all you have to do is chop up some onions and boil some noodles. Particular elbow noodles. All right, I'm gonna, I've already started my water. Gotta wait for it to boil. And then we'll cook this as the directions say on the box, and I'll show you guys how we do it. We do add a kind of weird ingredient to our chili mac in our house. I don't know if everyone adds this particular ingredient, but we really like it, and it's a little weird. So stay tuned for that. All right, let me go boil some noodles. Guys, I had to take Calvin's toy away from him because the squeak was, I don't need much onion. We're just gonna, Jonathan likes a lot of onion, but we don't need a lot, so. Now Calvin's like, where's my toy? You took it. Every single night when I make dinner is the time that he feels that he should squeak his toy as loud as possible. And it's always that toy. That eagle thing looks real rough. I took that toy, so he's gonna go find another toy. Probably. Alright, so this is my chili I made last night. It's basically just a vegetarian chili because I had all the ingredients for it and we think it's delicious. So that's what it is. It's got jalapenos, bell peppers, bunch of beans, no tomatoes, no meat. I make a lot of different chilies. This is just the one we made last night and it's delicious. So the thing I do here is normally I just kind of fill a bowl with my cold chili, and obviously if you have more than 2 people to feed, by all means heat this up on the stove, but it's just us, so I just heat up a bowl full of this in the microwave, and that's what we use for our chili mac, because it doesn't require like a bowl full of chili per person. So yeah, I just heat this up. And like I said, if you don't have a microwave or if you have a lot of people, heat it up on the stove. You do you, boo-boos. That's plenty. That is definitely plenty. Oh, shoot. Man down. Dang. Rip. Okay, Jonathan is going to show everyone how we make our yummy chili mac. With our weird ingredients. Oh, sorry, my spoon wasn't big enough.
No, I need bigger spoon.
Okay.
I'm just lazy. So first, put the macaroni in.
Also, you don't have to use macaroni. We've done this with spaghetti noodles.
Yeah.
You can use whatever. That's just what we got. Then we got our weird chili. And our yeast. We do not add yeast.
So I'm going to use about half of this since we're...
Basically, you can use as much as you want. I just...
Yeah, but...
I want to add some soup to yours. You're leaving me all the soup. Not to be bossy.
No. I was like, there's dogs barking.
Yeah, Calvin hears the dogs outside.
Seems about fair.
Yeah.
It's trying to be
it's
fair.
basically filming your arm at this point.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's good. That's good. That's plenty. And then I got the cheese out. And the onion.
Oh, I love onion.
Yeah.
Like, absolutely.
That's why I left the onion out, put the knife in case you needed more.
Like, I could just eat straight onion. And
That's
I'd be happy.
gross.
Happy camper.
And then
Calvin.
we have our Calvin here, because he loves shredded cheese. You can shred your own. You can not shred your own.
It's being lazy.
We're just being lazy today. The main ingredient for our chili mac in this house is ketchup. It's so weird, but like it's so good.
Definitely like a Midwestern thing. Not an Italian thing. Like,
no, I looked it up.
I'm Italian and
I looked it up.
I would probably be killed, but or disowned, but.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. It looks so good.
And also, if you have like,
I'll put the camera.
What is it? Like a vinegary
hot sauce.
Hot sauce is really good on it, like just like a pepper sauce.
You mean like
peppercini
Tapatio?
sauce? Yeah, like a peppercini sauce almost. Like
yeah.
Like that's really good. To add some moisture to it.
You should try it real quick.
Is this my spoon?
Yeah.
All right.
Sure. Yeah.
I think it was. When you mix it all up.
Yeah, you have to mix it up. You can't just leave the ketchup on the top. That's not. I mean, you could, but it's not as good. Tastes the same as usual. And you can do this with canned chili also, but this is just a really good way to use your chili, and we really enjoy it because we live in the Midwest, and that's what we do.
Adds like the ketchup adds a bit of sweetness, and then you get the crunch from the onion, and then the noodles.
It's just so good.
Versus just having chili for like 4 days, you can.
This is literally one of my favorite meals, like ever. Anyway, so.
That's it. That's really good.
That's it. It's super easy. It's delicious. And Calvin thinks that he can have some. Alright, anyway. We'll see you in the next video where Jonathan tries whatever I make. Because that's what he does. Okay. Bye.